Ko maunga piko te maunga, ko waitonori te awa, ko pāringaringa te moana, ko kuruhaupo te waka, ko te hiku o te ika te marae, ko pohirihanga te tangata, ko te ringa Māui te hapu, ko Ngāti Kuri te iwi, ko Hine Waitai-Dye toki ingoa. Sana Waitai Murray, so she is my great-grandmother, my mother is her successor, so we lived very closely, me and my nan, and she spent a lot of time with me out on the whenua, but also weaving, and rāranga was her main art form that sort of inspired a lot of my mahi. So now at this later stage in Moko, I'm trying to bring more of her mahi into what I'm doing. My mum used to sit with me a lot when I was little, Sheridan, and just go over basic forms of koru and ko whaiwhai. And I never really noticed, but that massively impacted me for the rest of my schooling life and then into Moko. So yeah, when the opportunity arose when I was 16, I was just seeking help for individual design. I wasn't seeking help for an apprenticeship. And then Graham just offered the next day, and so I thought, oh well, it must be meant to be. So I started then, and that's when I knew at 16 that I was going to do Moko. And then Waka's just a new thing for me, and I'm still learning day by day. So I came in pretty blank to the Waka scene. I guess the other students are either navigators, sailors or paddlers, and I'm the first one who's just a hunter, fisher, diverman. So, but yeah, if there's anything you strive to do within career-wise, within Te Ao Māori, within anything, you just have to keep pushing and do it. Seek help from those who are already in the industry that you're looking to go into, but you just have to do it.